Introducing Liongard's Marketing Toolkit, the perfect solution for MSPs looking to boost their cybersecurity defensibility revenue. What's inside? A wide range of digital marketing assets, including email campaigns, blog posts, and training to effectively reach your target audience. But that's not all. Liongard's Marketing Toolkit goes beyond just materials. Our team of experts has decades of experience in the MSP industry and is recognized as leaders in configuration change detection and response. We provide ongoing support and guidance to ensure your marketing and sales efforts are successful. With Liongard, you can educate your customers on why managing and detecting change leads to a stronger cyber posture. Our CCDR platform is trusted by thousands of MSPs worldwide to help protect over 1 million IT systems. Don't let cyber risk hold you back. Transform it into revenue today with Liongard's Marketing Toolkit.